To back up game files on Steam, first you want to go to your Steam library and you want to find the game that you want to back up. Once you find the game, you want to right click on it and then click on Properties. Now you want to go to Installed Files and then click on Backup Game Files. Just so you know, this will not include game saves, configurations or other clouded files. It's just going to back up the game installation files that you can use to restore from later. If we go back and we read the FAQ, to back up your entire installation including custom content, ensure that copies of all custom files are in the following folders in the path. So you want to go into C drive program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common and game name. So you're given 5 folders which are automatically saved as you back up the game. You need to put those custom files that you want into these correct folders. For example, any configuration files that you may be using for your keybinds, for example, like if you play Counter-Strike or Dota. So yeah, you could just read through all of this, make sure that you understand it. Now once you're back on Steam, you want to select Backup Game Files, and then click on Browse to choose a directory to create the backup files. And then you want to create the backup. This will back up the entire game folder with those folders. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes and you'll have a backup, so in case the game gets uninstalled, you're not going to lose everything you have.